Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and this is the fourth episode regarding the basics of Git and GitHub. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out my new tutorials. Last time, we created an empty index file and committed them. Today, we'll create more files like CSS and JS and commit them. So first of all, open your project folder. Right click and click on Git Bash here. Then we can create files using .app.css and .app.js. Now let me open them in my text editor. You can choose your folder in the desktop. Open your index.html. And for now, I will add the h1 tag and write my Git lessons. Then in app.js, I will write alert and hello world. Now let me import that app.js in index.html. And now let's open that index file. And I can see my hello world in the alert box. And I can see my title. Now let's check the status using Git Status. We can see two different things over here. First one is index.html, which we have modified recently. And the rest two files are untracked completely as they are new files and we never told Git about it. Now let's commit two files that we have modified recently, which is index.html and app.js. Then later we will modify app.css and commit it. So the first thing we have to do is we have to add index.html and app.js to the staging area. So we can chain them together like git add index.html app.js. Let's check the status again using Git Status. Now two files, index.html and app.js, are ready for the commit. So here you can use git commit and some message. I will write alert message added. If you want to check the commit history, you can use git log. And now you can see two commits over here. One is this index file added and another one is alert message added. Now let's make some changes in the CSS. So you can open your text editor again, open your app.css. For the S1, I want to add the black background and white text. Then you can import that CSS in index.html. Once done, you can refresh your site. You can see this alert box and you can see our style. Let's check the status again using Git Status. Now we can see one modified file, index.html, and one untracked file, app.css. So if you want to add them in staging area, we can either use git add index.html app.css, or we can use git add dot. This means it will add all files to the staging area. You can check the status again using Git Status. And now 2 files are ready for commit, so you can use Git Commit and some message. I will add styles added. If you want to check the commit history again, you can use git log anytime. So we have got 3 commits over here now. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll modify some files and show you how to get back to any previous version using the commit hash. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.